Hello everyone, this is Chadi Alraies from New York NYEVS. I'm really privileged to be with Dr. Pablo Tondopo, who's coming from Mexico, and he is a vascular surgeon. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for inviting us.
Yeah. So Pablo, tell us about your experience with the conference and what brought you to here.
It's my first time in New York, so I really enjoyed this event, this summit, and the quality of all speakers is great.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Have you been to the hand-on session or the other live cases?
No, my case wasn't selected, but one of my friends, was selected, and she took the fourth place.
Oh, okay. Congratulations. That's good. So this is your first time to the conference and New York.
Yeah.
Did you have time to go and explore the city?
Yesterday we went to the Central Park.
Oh, nice. Okay.
We were walking.
Nice. That's good. Now today is more live cases. You're doing live cases and didactic. Have you had time to explore them or be there?
Yeah. The case that they are presenting are the really interesting. Really interesting in the aortic segment.
Okay.
So the first case for me was phenomenal.
Yeah, that's great. Well, Pablo, I hope you come next year and you join us again next year in the same conference.
Thanks. I hope to.
And I hope your case get accepted for competition again. Yeah. Try hard. Never give up.
Maybe next one.
Yeah, never give up. All right. Thanks for being with us, and thanks for watching this video and others. Follow us on the YouTube, and this is Chadi Alraies from New York NYEVS 2024. Pablo, thank you.
Thanks.